Calm Mind Infusion for stress relief. This Calm Mind Infusion is expertly formulated to reduce stress, calm the nervous system, and promote restful sleep. It features a synergistic blend of lemon balm, 40%, chamomile, 30%, passion flower, 20%, and lavender, 10%. Lemon balm, for instance, has been traditionally used for centuries to soothe anxiety, with some studies suggesting it can improve mood and cognitive performance. Botanically, lemon balm is recognized by its square stem and lemon-scented, oval serrated leaves, while chamomile presents small, white, daisy-like flowers. Passion flower is notable for its intricate purple and white blooms, and lavender for its gray-green leaves and distinctive purple flower spikes. The blend's efficacy stems from key phytochemicals like rosmarinic acid in lemon balm, apigenin in chamomile, harmala alkaloids in passion flower, and linalool in lavender, all contributing to its nervine relaxant, anxiolytic, mild sedative, and antispasmodic actions. For preparation, blend the dried herbs and infuse 1 to 2 teaspoons per cup in hot water, covered for 10 minutes, and strain and sip. Historically, lemon balm was cherished in medieval Europe as a heart's ease tea, and chamomile played a role in ancient Egyptian calming rituals. It's important to avoid high doses when combined with other sedatives and for individuals with ragweed allergies due to chamomile content. Liver Harmony Detoxification Blend. The Liver Harmony Detox Blend is formulated to gently stimulate liver function, promote bile flow, and aid in toxin elimination without harsh purging. This blend is ideal for seasonal cleanses, sluggish digestion, skin breakouts, or mild liver stress. Key ingredients include milk thistle seed, 40%, dandelion root, 25%, schisandra berry, 15%, turmeric root, 10%, and peppermint leaf, 10%. Milk thistle, for example, has been extensively studied for its hepatoprotective properties, with its active compound, salvemarin, showing promise in protecting liver cells from damage. Each herb contributes unique botanical and phytochemical profiles. Milk thistle is identifiable by its purple flower heads and spiny, white-veined leaves, containing the silymarin complex. Dandelion root, from a plant with bright yellow flowers, offers sesquiterpene lactones and inulin. Schisandra berries are small, red, and known for their 5 distinct flavors, providing schisandrin lignans. Turmeric root, a bright orange rhizome, is rich in curcuminoids, while peppermint, a square-stemmed aromatic herb, contains menthol and menthone. These components collectively provide hepatoprotective, choleretic, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and digestive stimulant actions. To prepare a tea, coarsely grind milk thistle, chop dandelion root, crush schisandra berries, grate turmeric, and add dried peppermint. Simmer the roots and seeds for 10 minutes, then add peppermint for the final 5 minutes. This blend combines Western herbal traditions, focusing on bitters and liver support, with traditional Chinese medicine's adaptogenic schisandra. Caution is advised for gallstone obstruction, and turmeric may interact with anticoagulants. Immune Shield Winter Tonic for resilience. The Immune Shield Winter Tonic is designed to bolster immune resilience during cold and flu season, aiming to reduce infection frequency and speed recovery. It's an excellent preventative daily tonic for adults, featuring echinacea root, 35%, elderberry, 30%, astragalus root, 20%, cinnamon bark, 10%, and ginger root, 5%. Elderberry, for example, has been shown in some studies to significantly reduce the duration and severity of cold and flu symptoms, making it a popular choice for seasonal wellness. Botanically, echinacea is known for its distinctive coneflower heads and spiny central cones, while elderberry shrubs produce small white flowers and dark berries. Astragalus root is fibrous and yellowish, and cinnamon bark forms thin, rolled quills. Ginger is a beige rhizome with a pungent aroma. The tonic's power comes from phytochemicals like echinacea's alkalamides, elderberry's anthocyanins, astragalus' polysaccharides, cinnamon's cinnamaldehyde, and ginger's gingerols, which provide immunostimulant, antiviral, anti-inflammatory, and circulatory stimulant actions. To prepare, simmer astragalus, echinacea, elderberries, cinnamon, and ginger for 15 minutes to create a rich broth-like decoction, optionally sweetened with raw honey. This formula uniquely blends North American immune herbs like echinacea and elderberry with astragalus, a cornerstone of traditional Chinese medicine. Individuals with autoimmune disorders should avoid echinacea without professional guidance. Calm Mind Nerve Support Tea for balance. This Calm Mind Nerve Support Tea is crafted to soothe the nervous system, alleviate mild anxiety, and foster emotional balance without inducing sedation. It combines lemon balm, 30%, oat straw, 25%, chamomile, 25%, passion flower, 10%, and lavender buds, 10%. Oat straw, derived from the green stem of the oat plant, is particularly valued for its nutritive and restorative effects on the nervous system. Often referred to as a nervine tonic that helps rebuild resilience over time. Lemon balm is characterized by its heart-shaped, lemon-scented leaves, while chamomile displays small white daisy-like flowers. Passion flower is a distinctive vine with intricate purple-white blooms, and lavender is known for its spikes of fragrant purple flowers. The blend's therapeutic effects are attributed to phytochemicals such as rosmarinic acid from lemon balm, silica and B vitamins from oat straw, apigenin from chamomile, flavonoids and alkaloids from passion flower, and linalool from lavender. These compounds work synergistically to provide nervine relaxant, mild sedative, anxiolytic, and antispasmodic actions. To prepare, steep 2 teaspoons of the herb blend per cup in a covered teapot for 10 minutes to preserve volatile oils. Then enjoy 2 to 3 times daily. This formula is deeply rooted in European herbalism, where these herbs have been used for centuries as daily nervous system tonics. It is important to note that this tea may cause drowsiness if combined with other sedative medications, and it is often recommended for evening use or during periods of heightened stress. Digestive Harmony for optimal digestion. The Digestive Harmony blend is crafted to support optimal digestion, alleviate bloating, and ease mild digestive discomfort, all while enhancing nutrient absorption. It serves as an ideal daily after-meal tea, featuring peppermint leaf, 30%, fennel seed, 25%, ginger root, 20%, chamomile flower, 15%, and licorice root, 10%. Fennel, for example, has been used since ancient times for its carminative properties, helping to expel gas and soothe the digestive tract, a benefit recognized across many cultures. Peppermint is identifiable by its dark green, serrated leaves and strong menthol scent, while fennel produces feathery leaves and aromatic seeds within yellow flower umbels. Ginger is a beige, knobby rhizome, and chamomile presents small, daisy-like flowers with a sweet apple aroma. Licorice root is a fibrous, yellow-brown root. The blend's efficacy is rooted in phytochemicals such as menthol from peppermint, anethol from fennel, gingerols from ginger, apigenin from chamomile, and glycyrrhizin from licorice, which collectively provide carminative, antispasmodic, digestive stimulant, and anti-inflammatory actions. To prepare, pour boiling water over 1 to 2 teaspoons of the herb blend per cup, cover, and steep for 7 to 10 minutes. Serve hot after meals to aid digestion and reduce gas. This formula beautifully integrates European chamomile traditions with Middle Eastern fennel and Chinese licorice root usages, showcasing a global approach to digestive wellness. However, individuals with hypertension or water retention should avoid licorice due to its potential effects on blood pressure. Circulatory Vitality Elixir for Heart Health. The Circulatory Vitality Elixir is formulated to promote healthy blood flow, warm the extremities, and enhance cardiovascular resilience. This potent blend includes hawthorn berry, 35%, ginkgo leaf, 25%, cinnamon bark, 20%, ginger root, 10%, and cayenne, 10%. Hawthorn, often called the heart herb, has been extensively studied for its ability to support heart function, with research indicating it can improve blood flow to the heart and help regulate blood pressure. Botanically, hawthorn is a thorny shrub bearing small red berries, while ginkgo leaves are distinctly fan-shaped with prominent veins. Cinnamon bark curls into characteristic quills, ginger is a knobby rhizome, and cayenne peppers are slender and red. The elixir's benefits are derived from phytochemicals such as flavonoids and oligomeric proanthocyanidins in hawthorn, terpenoids and flavonol glycosides in ginkgo, cinnamaldehyde in cinnamon, gingerols in ginger, and capsaicin in cayenne. These compounds work synergistically to provide cardioprotective, vasodilator, circulatory stimulant, and antioxidant actions. This elixir is typically prepared as a tincture, infused in alcohol, with a recommended dosage of 2 to 4 milliliters twice daily. Its cultural roots are a fascinating blend of European hawthorn hartponics and traditional Asian warming herbs, reflecting a holistic approach to circulatory health. Due to its circulatory effects, caution is advised for individuals taking blood thinners, and professional supervision is recommended. This elixir is particularly beneficial during colder months for those experiencing cold hands and feet. Women's Monthly Balance for cycle support. The Women's Monthly Balance Tea is formulated to ease menstrual discomfort, balance hormones, and support mood throughout the menstrual cycle. This blend combines raspberry leaf, 35%, chaste tree berry, 20%, ginger root, 15%, chamomile, 15%, and cinnamon bark, 15%. Raspberry leaf, often called the woman's herb, is particularly renowned for its uterine tonic properties, helping to tone the uterine muscles and reduce cramping, a benefit traditionally recognized by midwives for centuries. Raspberry leaves are characterized by their serrated edges and silvery undersides, while chaste tree berries are small and resemble peppercorns. Ginger is a knobby rhizome, chamomile has small daisy-like flowers, and cinnamon bark forms curled quills. The tea's therapeutic effects are attributed to phytochemicals such as tannins and flavonoids from raspberry leaf, iridoid glycosides from chaste tree, gingerols from ginger, abigenin from chamomile, and cinnamaldehyde from cinnamon. These compounds work synergistically to provide uterine tonic, hormone balancing, antispasmodic, and anti-inflammatory actions. To prepare, steep 2 teaspoons of the blend per cup in a covered pot for 10 minutes. Then, drink warm 1 to 2 times daily during the menstrual cycle. This formula is deeply rooted in European midwifery practices, where these herbs have long been used to support women's reproductive health. It is crucial to avoid chaste tree if undergoing hormonal therapy, unless under professional supervision, as it can influence hormone levels. For best results, begin consuming this tea approximately 1 week before menstruation is expected. Restful Slumber Blend for Deep Sleep. The Restful Slumber Blend is formulated to promote deep, restorative sleep, reduce nighttime anxiety, and calm the nervous system to support natural circadian rhythms. It features valerian root, 30%, lemon balm leaf, 25%, passion flower, 20%, chamomile, 15%, and lavender flowers, 10%. Valerian root, a cornerstone of traditional sleep remedies, has been used for centuries, with historical records indicating its use as far back as ancient Greece and Rome for insomnia and nervousness. Valerian root is identifiable by its brown fibrous texture and distinct earthy aroma. Lemon balm has serrated, heart-shaped, lemon-scented leaves, while passion flower boasts intricate purple and white blooms. Chamomile flowers resemble small daisies, and lavender presents narrow leaves with spikes of purple flowers. The blend's sedative and anxiolytic properties come from phytochemicals like valerianic acids in valerian, rosmarinic acid in lemon balm, tarmola alkaloids in passion flower, apigenin in chamomile, and linalool in lavender. These compounds contribute to its sedative, nervine relaxant, mild anxiolytic, and mild muscle relaxant actions. To prepare, steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of the blend per cup in a covered pot for 30 minutes before bed, drinking it warm to preserve volatile oils. This blend is rooted in European bedtime herbal traditions, passed down through generations. It is crucial to avoid combining this blend with other sedative medications unless under professional supervision, as it may enhance their effects. For optimal results in resetting sleep cycles, consistent nightly use for 1 to 2 weeks is recommended. Immune resilience for long-term defense. The immune resilience decoction is designed to enhance immune defenses, support recovery from infections, and build long-term resilience against seasonal illnesses. This robust blend includes astragalus root, 35%, reishi mushroom, 25%, echinacea root, 20%, ginger root, 10%, and cinnamon bark, 10%. Reishi mushroom, revered in traditional Chinese medicine for over 2,000 years, is often called the mushroom of immortality due to its profound adaptogenic and immune-modulating properties. Astragalus is a fibrous yellow root, while reishi is a distinctive woody red-brown fungus. Echinacea features cone-shaped purple flowers and prickly seeds. Ginger is a knobby rhizome, and cinnamon bark forms curled quills. The decoction's powerful effects are derived from phytochemicals such as polysaccharides and saponins in astragalus, triterpenes and beta-glucans in reishi, alkylamides in echinacea, gingerols in ginger, and cinnamaldehyde in cinnamon. These compounds collectively provide immunomodulant, adaptogenic, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory actions. For optimal extraction of polysaccharides from the roots and mushrooms, this blend is best prepared as a decoction. Simmer 1 tablespoon of the blend in 3 cups of water for 20 minutes, then drink daily. This formula represents a powerful synergy, combining time-honored traditional Chinese medicine immune tonics like astragalus and reishi with well-researched North American immune herbs such as echinacea. It is important to avoid astragalus during acute fever unless guided by a healthcare practitioner. Liver renewal for detoxification support. The liver renewal tea is designed to support healthy liver detoxification, promote bile production, and aid in liver regeneration, especially after periods of stress or toxin exposure. This blend includes milk thistle seed, 35%, dandelion root, 25%, schizandra berry, 20%, peppermint leaf, 10%, and burdock root, 10%. Dandelion root, a common weed, has been utilized for centuries in traditional medicine as a potent liver and digestive tonic, with its bitter compounds stimulating bile flow and aiding detoxification. Milk thistle seeds are shiny, dark, and often have distinctive white markings. Dandelion root is obtained from the perennial plant with bright yellow flowers. Schizandra berries are small, red, and known for their unique 5-flavor profile: sweet, sour, salty, bitter, pungent. Peppermint has dark green serrated leaves, and burdock root is long and fibrous. The tea's efficacy is due to phytochemicals like the silymarin complex in milk thistle, inulin and sesquiterpene lactones in dandelion, schizandrins in schizandra, menthol in peppermint, and inulin and polyphenols in burdock. These provide hepatoprotective, cholagogue, adaptogenic, and digestive tonic actions. To prepare, lightly crush milk thistle seeds for maximum silymarin extraction. Then simmer the roots and seeds for 15 minutes. Add peppermint leaves for the final 5 minutes. Then strain and drink 1 to 2 cups daily for 2 to 3 weeks. This formula thoughtfully integrates Western herbal traditions, known for their liver tonics, with the adaptogenic qualities of schisandra, often referred to as the 5-flavor berry in traditional Chinese medicine. It is important to consult a healthcare professional if you have gallbladder disease before using this blend. Circulatory vitality for enhanced flow. The circulatory vitality infusion is formulated to support healthy blood circulation, alleviate sluggishness in the extremities, and promote overall cardiovascular resilience. This potent blend includes hawthorn berry, 35%, ginkgo leaf, 25%, cayenne pepper, 10%, ginger root, 15%, and motherwort, 15%. Ginkgo biloba, a living fossil tree. is particularly famous for its ability to enhance cerebral blood flow, with studies suggesting it can improve cognitive function and memory, especially in older adults. Hawthorn berries are small, red, and have a mealy texture. Ginkgo leaves are distinctly fan-shaped, while cayenne peppers are bright red and elongated when mature. Motherwort leaves are deeply lobed and serrated. The infusion's benefits are derived from phytochemicals such as flavonoids and oligomeric proanthocyanidins in hawthorn, ginkgolides and bilobolide in ginkgo, capsaicin in cayenne, gingerols in ginger, and leonorine alkaloid in motherwort. These compounds work synergistically to provide cardiotonic, circulatory stimulant, vasodilator, and antioxidant actions. To prepare, steep 1 teaspoon of the blend per cup for 10 minutes, drinking 2 to 3 times daily. Steep hawthorn, ginkgo, and motherwort. Then add a pinch of cayenne and ginger for an extra warming effect. This formula thoughtfully blends European heart tonics like hawthorn and motherwort with potent Asian circulatory stimulants such as ginkgo and ginger. Due to its impact on blood flow, caution is advised for individuals taking blood-thinning medications, and professional supervision is recommended. Digestive comfort for gastric relief. The digestive comfort tea is formulated to relieve bloating, indigestion, and mild gastric discomfort, while simultaneously supporting nutrient assimilation. This soothing blend includes peppermint leaf, 30%, fennel seed, 25%, chamomile, 20%, ginger root, 15%, and lemon balm, 10%. Peppermint, a widely popular herb, is particularly effective due to its menthol content, which helps relax the smooth muscles of the digestive tract, thereby reducing spasms and gas, a benefit recognized globally. Peppermint has dark green serrated leaves with a strong menthol scent. Fennel seeds are distinctive for their greenish-brown oval shape and sweet aroma, while chamomile presents small daisy-like flowers. Ginger is a beige knobby rhizome, and lemon balm has heart-shaped, lemon-scented leaves. The tea's therapeutic effects are attributed to phytochemicals such as menthol from peppermint, anethol and thencone from fennel, apigenin from chamomile, gingerols from ginger, and rosmarinic acid from lemon balm. These compounds provide carminative, antispasmodic, anti-inflammatory, and mild anxiolytic actions. To prepare, steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of the blend per cup in a covered pot to preserve volatile oils. Then drink warm after meals. This practice is common in Mediterranean after-meal traditions, where digestive teas are a staple. It is important to avoid high doses of peppermint if you suffer from acid reflux, as it can sometimes exacerbate symptoms. This tea pairs wonderfully with mindful eating practices, enhancing the overall digestive experience. Women's Hormonal Harmony for Balance. The Women's Hormonal Harmony blend is formulated to balance menstrual cycles, ease PMS symptoms, and provide support during the perimenopausal transition. This comprehensive blend includes Vitex berry 35%, red clover 25%, dong quai 20%, lemon balm 10%, and ginger root 10%. Vitex berry, also known as chaste tree berry, is particularly notable for its ability to influence the pituitary gland, which in turn regulates other hormones, making it a powerful tool for addressing various menstrual and menopausal symptoms. Vitex berries are small, dark, and resemble peppercorns. Red clover is easily recognized by its distinctive pinkish-purple flowers, while dong quai is a fragrant root. Lemon balm has heart-shaped, lemon-scented leaves, and ginger is a knobby rhizome. The blend's efficacy is rooted in phytochemicals such as iridoid glycosides from Vitex, isoflavones from red clover, ferulic acid from dong quai, rosmarinic acid from lemon balm, and gingerols from ginger. These compounds collectively provide endocrine-modulating, mild phytoestrogenic, circulatory stimulant, and nervine relaxant actions. To prepare, steep 1 teaspoon of the blend daily as an infusion, or use a decoction for the dong quai root if desired. Consistent daily use for 2 to 3 months is often recommended for optimal hormonal regulation. This formula beautifully combines European herbs like Vitex and lemon balm with traditional Chinese medicines dongquai and North American red clover, reflecting a global understanding of women's health. It is crucial to avoid this blend during pregnancy and to monitor its use with hormone-sensitive conditions. Cognitive clarity for enhanced focus. The Cognitive Clarity Tonic is formulated to improve memory, enhance focus, and boost mental stamina. This invigorating blend features ginkgo leaf, 35%, gotu kola, 25%, rosemary, 20%, lemon balm, 10%, and peppermint, 10%. Gotu kola, revered herb in Ayurvedic medicine, is often called the herb of enlightenment due to its traditional use in promoting mental clarity and improving memory, with some studies supporting its cognitive-enhancing effects. Ginkgo leaves are distinctly fan-shaped with prominent veins, while gotu kola has small, fan-shaped leaves with smooth edges. Rosemary is an aromatic evergreen shrub with needle-like leaves. Lemon balm has heart-shaped, lemon-scented leaves, and peppermint has dark green serrated leaves. The tonic's cognitive benefits are derived from phytochemicals such as ginkgolides from ginkgo, asiaticoside from gotu kola, carnosic acid from rosemary, rosmarinic acid from lemon balm, and menthol from peppermint. These compounds provide nootropic, cerebral circulatory stimulant, neuroprotective, antioxidant, and mild stimulant actions. To prepare, steep the herbs in a covered vessel to retain their aromatic oils, consuming as an infusion or tincture daily in the morning and early afternoon. This formula represents a powerful blend of Ayurvedic and European brain tonics, drawing on ancient wisdom for modern cognitive support. Due to ginkgo's blood-thinning properties, it is crucial to avoid this tonic if you are taking anticoagulant therapy. For best results, pair its use with regular mental exercises to maximize cognitive benefits. Seasonal allergy support for relief. The seasonal allergy support tea is formulated to reduce allergic inflammation, soothe the respiratory tract, and moderate the body's histamine response. This effective blend includes nettle leaf, 35%, eyebright, 25%, peppermint, 20%, ginger root, 10%, and licorice root, 10%. Nettle leaf, despite its stinging reputation, is a powerhouse for allergy relief, with studies showing its ability to inhibit histamine release and reduce inflammatory responses, making it a popular natural antihistamine. Nettle leaves are easily recognized by their serrated edges and fine stinging hairs. Eyebright has tiny white flowers with yellow throats, while peppermint has dark green serrated leaves. Ginger is a knobby rhizome, and licorice root is a fibrous yellow-brown root. The tea's benefits are derived from phytochemicals such as flavonoids and histamine-modulating compounds in nettle, iridoid glycosides in eyebright, menthol in peppermint, gingerols in ginger, and glycyrrhizin in licorice. These compounds collectively provide anti-inflammatory, antihistamine, demulcent, and circulatory stimulant actions. To prepare, steep the leaves and flowers and briefly simmer the roots before combining. Then infuse 1 to 2 teaspoons of the blend twice daily during allergy season. This formula draws heavily from European herbal allergy protocols, where these herbs have been used for generations to manage seasonal sensitivities. It is important to avoid licorice if you have hypertension, unless your blood pressure is monitored, as it can affect blood pressure levels. For best results, begin using this tea 2 to 3 weeks before the anticipated start of allergy season. Joint comfort for mobility and relief. The joint comfort decoction is formulated to ease inflammation and stiffness in joints, support cartilage health, and promote mobility, particularly beneficial for arthritis and post-injury recovery. This powerful blend includes turmeric root, 35%, willow bark, 25%, ginger root, 15%, nettle leaf, 15%, and boswellia resin, 10%. Willow bark, for instance, is often referred to as nature's aspirin due to its active compound salicin, which the body converts into salicylic acid, providing pain relief and anti-inflammatory effects similar to aspirin. Turmeric root is distinctive for its bright orange interior, while willow bark is harvested from the willow tree. Ginger is a knobby rhizome, nettle leaves are serrated, and boswellia resin appears as small, golden brown tears. The decoction's therapeutic effects are attributed to phytochemicals such as curcumin from turmeric, salicin from willow bark, gingerols from ginger, minerals like silica and calcium from nettle, and boswellic acids from boswellia. These compounds collectively provide potent anti-inflammatory, analgesic, antioxidant, and mineralizing actions. To prepare, decoct willow bark, turmeric, and ginger by simmering for 15 minutes. Then add nettle and boswellia resin for the final 5 minutes. Drink 1 cup twice daily. This formula represents a rich tapestry of traditional joint remedies, combining Ayurvedic wisdom, turmeric, boswellia, European herbalism, willow bark, nettle, and African traditional medicine. It is crucial to avoid willow bark if you have an aspirin sensitivity, as it contains similar compounds. For enhanced benefits, pair the use of this decoction with regular stretching exercises to improve joint mobility. Stress resilience for adrenal balance. The Stress Resilience Tonic is formulated to support adrenal balance, moderate stress responses, and promote emotional stability. This powerful adaptogenic blend includes ashwagandha, 35%, holy basil, 25%, lemon balm, 20%, licorice root, 10%, and schisandra berry, 10%. Ashwagandha, a cornerstone of Ayurvedic medicine, is a renowned adaptogen, meaning it helps the body adapt to stress, and has been shown to significantly reduce cortisol levels, the body's primary stress hormone. Ashwagandha root is light brown and earthy smelling. Holy basil, or tulsi, is an aromatic herb with purple-tinged leaves. Lemon balm has heart-shaped, lemon-scented leaves. Licorice root is fibrous and yellow-brown, and schisandra berries are red, wrinkled, and tart-sweet. The tonic's benefits are derived from phytochemicals such as withanolides in ashwagandha, eugenol in holy basil, rosmarinic acid in lemon balm, glycyrrhizin in licorice, and lignans, schisandrin, in schisandra. These compounds collectively provide adaptogenic, nervine, anti-inflammatory, and hepatoprotective actions. To prepare, infuse the leaves and decoct the roots and berries before blending. Then consume as an infusion or tincture daily for 2 to 3 months. This formula masterfully integrates Ayurvedic adaptogen strategies, ashwagandha, holy basil, with traditional Chinese medicines schisandra, creating a holistic approach to stress management. Due to the licorice content, caution is advised for individuals with hypertension, and blood pressure should be monitored. For enhanced benefits, this tonic is best combined with mindful breathing exercises to further support emotional stability. Immune Guard Elixir for pathogen resistance. The Immune Guard Elixir is formulated to boost immune function, enhance pathogen resistance, and shorten recovery time from infections. This potent blend includes echinacea root, 30%, elderberry, 30%, astragalus root, 20%, ginger root, 10%, and cinnamon bark, 10%. Elderberry in particular has gained significant attention for its antiviral properties, with research suggesting it can inhibit the replication of various flu strains and reduce the severity and duration of symptoms. Echinacea features coneflower heads with spiny central cones. Elderberry shrubs produce small, white flowers and dark berries. Astragalus root is flat, yellowish, and fibrous. Ginger is a knobby rhizome, and cinnamon bark forms curled quills. The elixir's benefits are derived from phytochemicals such as alkylamides in echinacea, anthocyanins in elderberry, polysaccharides in astragalus, gingerols in ginger, and cinnamaldehyde in cinnamon. These compounds collectively provide immunostimulant, antiviral, antioxidant, and warming stimulant actions. To prepare, simmer the roots and bark, then add the berries. Strain the mixture and sweeten with honey to create a palatable syrup, taking 1 to 2 teaspoons twice daily during cold and flu season. This formula is a rich tapestry of global immune support, blending Native American echinacea, traditional Chinese medicines astragalus, and European elderberry. It is important to avoid echinacea if you have autoimmune conditions without professional guidance, as it can stimulate the immune system. This elixir is ideal for preventive use or at the very first signs of illness. Sleep Serenity for restful nights. The Sleep Serenity tea is formulated to promote restful sleep, reduce nighttime anxiety, and support natural circadian rhythms. This calming blend includes valerian root, 30%, passion flower, 25%, lemon balm, 20%, chamomile, 15%, and lavender, 10%. Passion flower, with its intricate blooms, has a long history of use among Native American tribes as a sedative and anxiolytic, helping to calm the mind and promote peaceful sleep without heavy sedation. Valerian root is brown, fibrous, and has a distinctive earthy scent. Passion flower is easily recognized by its intricate purple and white blossoms. Lemon balm has heart-shaped, lemon-scented leaves. Chamomile presents small daisy-like flowers, and lavender is known for its fragrant purple flower spikes. The tea's sedative and anxiolytic properties are derived from phytochemicals such as valerianic acids in valerian, harmala alkaloids in passion flower, rosmarinic acid in lemon balm, apigenin in chamomile, and linalool in lavender. These compounds collectively provide sedative, anxiolytic, nervine relaxant, and antispasmodic actions. To prepare, steep 1 teaspoon of the blend in a covered vessel for 10 minutes before bed to retain volatile oils. Then drink warm. This blend draws from both European nighttime tea traditions and North American nervine practices, reflecting a cross-cultural understanding of sleep support. It is important to be aware that this tea may enhance the effects of other sedative medications, so professional guidance is recommended if you are taking such drugs. Creating a consistent pre-sleep ritual around drinking this tea can significantly enhance its calming effects. Respiratory relief for clear airways. The Respiratory Relief Steam Blend is formulated to open airways, loosen mucus, and soothe irritated respiratory passages. This aromatic blend includes eucalyptus leaf, 30%, thyme, 25%, peppermint, 20%, chamomile, 15%, and sage, 10%. Eucalyptus, native to Australia, has been used for centuries by Indigenous Australians for respiratory ailments, and its potent essential oil, rich in eucalyptol, is a well-known ingredient in modern chest rubs and vaporizers for its decongestant properties. Eucalyptus leaves are distinctive for their blue-green leathery texture and strong aromatic scent. Thyme is a small, fragrant herb with tiny leaves, while peppermint has dark green serrated leaves. Chamomile presents small daisy-like flowers, and sage has gray-green velvety leaves. The blend's therapeutic effects are derived from phytochemicals such as eucalyptol from eucalyptus, thymol from thyme, menthol from peppermint, apigenin from chamomile, and rosmarinic acid from sage. These compounds collectively provide antimicrobial, expectorant, anti-inflammatory, and decongestant actions. To prepare, place 1 to 2 tablespoons of the herbs in a bowl. Pour boiling water over them. Then tent your head with a towel and inhale the vapors for 5 to 10 minutes. This method draws from European and Australian steam therapy traditions, which have long utilized aromatic herbs for respiratory support. It's important to avoid this steam blend if you have asthma that is triggered by strong aromas, as it could potentially exacerbate symptoms. Following the steam with good hydration is recommended to further aid mucus clearance. Liver detox and support for function. The Liver Detox and Support Blend is formulated to enhance liver function, support detoxification processes, and promote healthy bile flow. This potent blend includes milk thistle seed, 35%, dandelion root, 25%, burdock root, 20%, schisandra berry, 10%, and ginger root, 10%. Burdock root, a traditional European spring tonic, is particularly valued for its blood purifying properties, helping to clear toxins from the bloodstream and support the liver's natural cleansing mechanisms. Milk thistle seeds are shiny, brown, and oblong, often with a white tuft. Dandelion root is obtained from the perennial plant with bright yellow flowers. Burdock roots are long, brown, and fibrous. Schisandra berries are small, red, and tart, and ginger is a knobby rhizome. The blend's efficacy is rooted in phytochemicals such as silymarin from milk thistle, sesquiterpene lactones from dandelion, inulin from burdock, lignans from schisandra, and gingerols from ginger. These compounds collectively provide hepatoprotective, bitter tonic, antioxidant, and digestive stimulant actions. To prepare, lightly crush milk thistle seeds before decoction. Then, simmer the roots and seeds to create a decoction, drinking 1 to 2 cups daily for 2 to 4 weeks. This formula draws heavily from the European spring cleanse tradition, where bitter herbs were historically used to revitalize the body after winter. It is crucial to avoid this blend during acute gallstones without medical advice, as it can stimulate bile flow. For optimal results, pair its use with a diet reduced in alcohol and processed foods to lessen the liver's burden. Cold and flu recovery for symptom relief. The cold and flu recovery tea is formulated to shorten illness duration, ease fever, and support immune rebound post-infection. This comforting blend includes elderflower, 30%, yarrow, 25%, peppermint, 20%, ginger root, 15%, and licorice root, 10%. Yarrow, a common wildflower, has a long history of use in folk medicine as a fever herb. Known for its diaphoretic properties that help induce sweating and break a fever, a practice common in both European and Native American traditions. Elderflower shrubs produce small white flowers and dark berries. Yarrow flowers are small, white clusters with feathery leaves. Peppermint has dark green serrated leaves. Ginger is a knobby rhizome, and licorice root is a fibrous yellow-brown root. The tea's therapeutic effects are derived from phytochemicals such as flavonoids in elderflower, sesquiterpene lactones in yarrow, menthol in peppermint, gingerols in ginger, and glycyrrhizin in licorice. These compounds collectively provide diaphoretic, antiviral, expectorant, and demulcent actions. To prepare, steep the blend in a covered vessel to capture volatile oils. Then drink 1 cup every 2 to 3 hours during the acute phase of illness. This formula draws from traditional folk fever teas found in both European and North American herbalism, highlighting a shared wisdom in managing acute symptoms. Due to the licorice content, caution is advised for individuals with hypertension, and blood pressure should be monitored. For best effect, drink the tea warm and ensure adequate rest in bed to support the body's natural healing process. Skin Glow for clear, healthy skin. The Skin Glow Herbal Infusion is formulated to promote clear skin, reduce inflammation, and support lymphatic cleansing. This purifying blend includes burdock root, 30%, red clover, 25%, nettle leaf, 20%, calendula, 15%, and spearmint, 10%. Red clover, with its beautiful pinkish-purple blossoms, has been traditionally used as a blood purifier in European folk medicine, believed to help cleanse the body from within and improve skin conditions like eczema and acne. Burdock roots are long, brown, and fibrous. Red clover is easily recognized by its distinctive flowers. Nettle leaves are serrated and covered with stinging hairs. Calendula flowers are bright orange-yellow with resinous petals, and spearmint has green serrated leaves with a milder minty scent than peppermint. The infusion's benefits are derived from phytochemicals such as inulin from burdock, isoflavones from red clover, minerals from nettle, triterpenoids from calendula, and carvone from spearmint. These compounds collectively provide alterative, anti-inflammatory, lymphatic tonic, and mild antimicrobial actions. To prepare, steep the blend in a covered vessel to preserve its delicate aroma. Then drink 2 to 3 cups daily for 4 to 6 weeks. This formula is deeply rooted in traditional European and North American spring skin clearing teas, historically used to revitalize the complexion. It is crucial to avoid red clover if you have estrogen-sensitive cancers due to its isoflavone content, which can have mild phytoestrogenic effects. For optimal results, combine the use of this infusion with ample hydration and a reduced sugar intake to further support skin health. Men's Vitality for stamina and health. The men's vitality tonic is formulated to support male reproductive health, enhance stamina, and boost overall vitality. This invigorating blend includes tribulus, 30%, ashwagandha, 25%, maca root, 20%, ginseng, 15%, and ginger root, 10%. Maca root, native to the Andes Mountains, has been cultivated for thousands of years and is revered for its ability to enhance energy, stamina, and libido. Often referred to as Peruvian ginseng for its adaptogenic qualities. Tribulus is a small thorny plant with yellow flowers. Ashwagandha root is light brown and earthy smelling. Maca root is beige, radish-like, and aromatic when dried. Ginseng is a fleshy root, and ginger is a knobby rhizome. The tonic's benefits are derived from phytochemicals such as protodiacin from tribulus, withanolides from ashwagandha, macamides from maca, ginsenosides from ginseng, and gingerols from ginger. These compounds collectively provide adaptogenic, aphrodisiac, endocrine modulating, and circulatory stimulant actions. To prepare, powder the roots and blend evenly. Then consume 1 to 2 teaspoons daily in smoothies or other beverages. This formula draws from a rich tapestry of traditional vitality tonics, integrating Andean maca, Ayurvedic ashwagandha, and Chinese ginseng. It is important to avoid this tonic if you have uncontrolled hypertension due to its stimulating properties. For an optimal energy boost, this blend is best taken in the morning, and combining it with strength training can further enhance its benefits. Blood sugar balance for glucose control. The blood sugar balance tea is formulated to help stabilize post-meal blood sugar, reduce sugar cravings, and support healthy pancreatic function. This comprehensive blend includes cinnamon bark, 30%, gymnema leaf, 25%, fenugreek seed, 20%, bitter melon, 15%, and ginger root, 10%. Gymnema sylvestre, known as sugar destroyer in Ayurvedic medicine, is particularly fascinating as it temporarily blocks the taste of sweetness on the tongue, which can help reduce sugar cravings and support healthy glucose metabolism. Cinnamon bark forms curled quills. Gymnema leaves are oval with a smooth texture. Fenugreek seeds are small, hard, and aromatic. Bitter melon is a green, warty gourd when fresh, and ginger is a knobby rhizome. The tea's therapeutic effects are derived from phytochemicals such as cinnamaldehyde from cinnamon, gymnemic acids from gymnema, trigonelline from fenugreek, charantin from bitter melon, and gingerols from ginger. These compounds collectively provide hypoglycemic, digestive stimulant, insulin sensitizing, and carminative actions. To prepare, simmer the seeds and bark, then add the leaves at the end, consuming as an infusion or decoction daily before meals. This formula draws from rich Ayurvedic and Southeast Asian traditions, where these herbs have been used for centuries to support diabetic health. It is crucial to monitor glucose levels closely if you are taking hypoglycemic medication, as this tea may enhance their effects. For best results, pair its use with a low glycemic diet to further support blood sugar control. Women's hormone harmony for regulation. The Women's Hormone Harmony tea is formulated to help regulate menstrual cycles, ease PMS symptoms, and support overall hormonal harmony in women. This balancing blend includes chaste tree berry, 30%, red raspberry leaf, 25%, dong quai root, 20%, lemon balm, 15%, and ginger root, 10%. Dong quai, often referred to as female ginseng in traditional Chinese medicine, is highly valued for its ability to nourish and invigorate blood, which is considered essential for healthy menstrual cycles and reproductive balance. Chaste berries are small, hard, grey-brown spheres with a distinctive peppery scent. Red raspberry leaves have serrated edges and a silvery underside. Dong quai root is aromatic and fibrous. Lemon balm has heart-shaped, lemon-scented leaves, and ginger is a knobby rhizome. The tea's therapeutic effects are derived from phytochemicals, such as iridoid glycosides from chaste tree, fragarine from raspberry leaf, ferulic acid from dong quai, rosmarinic acid from lemon balm, and gingerols from ginger. These compounds collectively provide hormone-modulating, uterine tonic, nervine relaxant, and digestive stimulant actions. To prepare, gently steep the leaves and berries, avoiding overbrewing. Then consume 1 to 2 cups daily. For optimal effects, particularly from Vitex, consistent use for 3 to 6 months is often recommended. This formula represents a rich blend of European, Chinese, and Western herbal gynecology, drawing on diverse traditions for women's health. It is crucial to avoid this tea during pregnancy without professional guidance, as some herbs can affect uterine contractions or hormone levels. Tracking cycle changes in a journal can be a practical tip to monitor the tea's effectiveness over time.